Yeah, today I'm going to be sharing an information that would be helpful to you, and this is about a recruitment event that can give you the opportunity to move to Germany in 2025. And this recruitment event is going to hold on the 20th of February 2025, and registration is open today. So I just want to share this as soon as this registration is open, and so what you need to do is to register for this recruitment event. And if you read through, they've clearly said that this recruitment event is for all those who would want to work in Germany from wherever you are, from whichever country where you live. So which means this is open for both international students and also for European Union members then. But then if you try to fill out this form, there are a few things I've noticed. So one of the few things I've noticed is that it's quite difficult to complete the form if you're not living in European Union countries, or if you do not accept that you are eligible to work in European Union countries. So it will be nice for you to fill in that you are eligible to work in European Union countries. So that gives you the opportunity to register for this career event. At some point, you'll be asked to read the what is it called? The policies. Yeah, you need to go through it. The policy you may not read it, but you need to scroll down so you can accept it and you complete the registration. Yeah, Germany is one of the best places you can ever think of working in the world because they are a very civilized country. They've got high technology, good education system even for your children, and they've got good Medicare and a whole lot of new technologies that they're following the trends of time. So I mean, if you get selected to work in Germany, it's like one of the best places in the world you can ever think of working. So I'm gonna take you through my screen, and this program which I'm introducing to you is Make It in Germany 2025. That is a caption, and I will take you through the application process. I'm gonna register myself too to show you what it looks like to complete this registration form, and once you complete, then you're gonna be you have to stay tuned till whenever it is the event, which I've told you is 20th of February. You're gonna stay tuned to 20th of February when this event is gonna happen. So, and you need to take note of the time, okay, time zone. So you have to be available at the time. It's gonna be a 3 hours event when employers and employees are gonna be interacting online, and it's going to be a live section, so you can do it online or you can do it physically. So, guys, let's go through my screen and see what it looks like. Thanks. Yeah, guys. So this event, which I've just introduced to you, is going to happen in the biggest European country, which is Germany, in 2025, and that is going to hold on 20th of February. And this event is going to be wholly online, and there are some other recruitment centers, but then for you it's totally online, so you would be able to get this done online, and registration has been open today. So registration is live, so you just get on and start the application. Okay, yeah, see, registration for the event will open on January 8th 2025, actually not 2024. Probably that was also for last year. So this registration event have just taken open today. So it is an opportunity for you to get registered. So look at what they've said. Are you a job seeker looking for a new job opportunity in Germany? Are you an employer looking for to promote your job vacancies? Then you're in the right place. So either that you're an employer or you're a job seeker. So join us online on 20th February 2025 from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So that is CET. So you're gonna check out this in your local time to see what time it is. Otherwise, you're gonna be at home or at work or somewhere, having leisure when this is gonna happen. So just be sure that you check out 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. CET and check out what it is in your local time, and be ready for this event. And for job seekers, German employers are recruiting candidates across various sectors. If you are interested in exploring diverse job opportunities and connecting with potential employers, register as a job seeker for this event. You will also gain valuable information about working and living in Germany, including social security, taxes, recognitions, processes, and application procedures. So that is quite important. So if you think you're good to go, then you just go and hit up the registration and register in one of the best European nation, with diverse economy, with very huge economy, great opportunities, just a whole lot of things to do, if you get out there in Germany. So you just click on register for this event, and this gives you opportunity to log in if you've already created an account, or create an account if you haven't. So for the fact that I want to get this information firsthand, I will be registering myself because I would like to be in that event, and I'm gonna see what it looks like in real life. In fact, most time I talk about event, I do not attend them because I think that I don't have a need for it. But then it's good that I'm gonna be attending this event to see how I can, how it goes, and what it looks like. Yeah, to have the real experience. But then if you're an employee, you have to hit here. Otherwise, you can hit up here to that. By completing your profile, your job matching will improve significantly. So it may take you a little of time, but see, no, not too long, maybe.